distinguished chief guest, Mr. Suresh Narayan, guests of honors, Mr. Sahi and Mr. Manoj Kohli, distinguished authors, Professor Asha Bandadkar and Subir Verma, Professor Subir Verma, and the moderator, Dr. Sudarshan, and the publisher, Mr. Vivek Mehra, and my friend and colleague, Mr. Siddique, and the other distinguished members of the foundation, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening to everyone. Dr. Chaturvedi has set the context and he has shared with you the vision of the foundation. I would like to dwell very briefly how we are going to translate that vision into acts, which is hardwiring the soft stuff. Sometimes we can create a vision, but it may be difficult and it's a big challenge to implement it both in letter and spirit. I think this is precisely the reason why we need the cooperation, help, and guidance of many from different diverse backgrounds to make this journey and the movement a great success. We are at the beginning of this journey. We have just started putting the bricks to make a strong foundation. But it requires a lot of support, cooperation, guidance from all of you who is sitting here. And specifically, we require a diverse personalities with different contexts and background to support us. So in this context, as been rightly alluded by Dr. Chaturvedi, to build on that vision without getting into too much of details, which we'll share with you, one of the things which we are focusing is, as Dr. Pritam Singh, my association with him being for 25 years, what we have learned and what others have learned. He was being my external, as well as my eternal mentor for many years. One of the things which we are focusing is how to recognize and motivate excellence in research, and also building on two facets. One is the institution building, which is a great institution builder, and leadership, and how to dovetail those into the concepts, what we learn in India, in the Indian culture and ethos and values, with the modern practices of both West and East, to make this happen in a way to fulfill his dream and his vision. So this is the purpose with which we have commenced this journey. As I said, it's the beginning of this journey. In this context, one of the things which he always focused upon, leadership, institutional building, try to build a relationship between the academia and industry. So it is not one leader from one background or different leaders from diverse backgrounds, as I said, it is not an exhaustive list, but I just want to give, be it from public sector or a private sector, from academia, from the industry, as well as right from the students. This is a journey to make this vision happen by disseminating his knowledge and his wisdom to everyone, be it a student, be it a professor, be it a corporate leader. So in this context, those people who have been very closely associated with Dr. Pritam Singh for many years have been requested to join us, some as patrons or advisory council members. This is not an exhaustive list I'm trying to lead, just to give a glimpse of it, how diverse and versatile, as well as a galaxy of luminaries. Just to name few: Dr. Santrup Mishra, Mr. Rajiv Dubey, Mr. Atul Sopti, and others in terms of Suresh Tripathi, Rachna Mukherjee. There are many others who have been invited to join us, to name few, and to make this journey a great success. This is something which I thought, as an opening remark, I would place on it. My colleague, Mr. Siddique, as a president, will give in his concluding remarks how to this translates this journey into actionable acts to make this a great success. Thank you very much.